Thank you, bro, for the encouragement. I highly appreciate. It's good to encourage one another. And so, let me also encourage you to keep posting. It's a long journey, and we need each other on this long journey. And to you who's watching this video, have you been posting content on YouTube? If not, why? Now, I discovered that just recently, because I've been coaching someone to get started on YouTube, and I didn't realize how difficult it is for some people to start or to grow a YouTube. I thought it's an easy thing to just take a phone and do a video. Then now it's when I'm discovering it ain't easy for everyone. And I'm happy to coach that person. And I would also be ready to coach you if you want to, because I find it easy and I know that I can encourage you, motivate you, inspire you, show you a few tricks here and there so that you can get good on a video and start a YouTube channel if you haven't started yet, or grow it. And if you started on it, please tell us about your journey on YouTube.